Hi, this is Jim Robinson with ProfitTrading.com, and I'm going to show you a stock that we're in my premium newsletter. Also, this stock was in, I have a weekly hot stock newsletter. That's a lower price newsletter where I just give you hot stocks. The premium newsletter, I actually give you the entries and exits. So the premium newsletter costs more, but the hot stock newsletter is a good newsletter if you're just looking for hot stocks. And you can get more information about both those at profittrading.com if you just sign up for one of the free stock trading newsletter. Then I explain it in those newsletters. Um, Basically, in the premium newsletter, when it gapped up here, I told subscribers the next day if it took out this high, we'd go long, and the next day we went long, and that was right at $6 a share, and it's trading close today at 7.85. So we're in a profit on this stock, and I think it's making kind of like a little sideways bull flag type action now, and I expect it to head higher from here. Now, if it does head higher, I'll probably bring the stop up to break even. I haven't done that yet, even though I'm watching it real close, and I hope to not, I'm not expecting to lose money on this stock in the premium newsletter. If the stock started heading lower, I'd just get out at the market or something. This is a 50-day moving average, and that's just the classic moving average that most people look at for stocks, and you can see that started to trend up as soon as this stock gapped up. It's AMRN, if I didn't mention that before. And again, we got in it at $6 a share. I think that's the premium newsletter, we got in it at $6 a share. And in the weekly hot stock newsletter, I'm sure that I had that as my number one pick for that week. I put out top 10 stocks, and then I put out the number one pick for the week. So that kind of gives you the heads up that this is the stock to look for, and then you can just take it from there if you want to buy it, or if you want to wait for a pullback, or if however you want to handle it. I just give you, in the weekly hot stock newsletter, I just give you the stocks that I think are going to move higher. So that's about it for this one right now. I just think everything looks good for higher prices. A gap up, and then this sideways consolidation is just kind of normal price action after a gap. And then the fact that it did move higher in here, again, is good action. It could have pulled back, but the fact, and it still would have been good, because a lot of times stocks will come back and try to fill the gap, or fill the gap halfway or something. And this would still be a strong stock even if it filled the gap some. But I think the fact that it just went sideways without filling the gap and then moved higher, and now it's making a little sideways consolidation, just means that it's that much stronger for a stock. And even though it's at $8 a share, I think it's still heading for higher prices. I mean, that's what it looks like. So thanks for listening to my video. Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com.